Hello, guys. I just want to give you a little introduction of pretty much what we do. We help leaders pretty much grow their impact. If we have to summarize it in a few words, but I want to give you some visuals and make sure you understand a little bit more of exactly what we do and how we do it and why we do what we do. So um, this is um, two little faces. Okay, so what we do is very simple. We help people go from here to here, and they create something here. You know, they have to create something in order to come from from the problem to the promise. Okay, so what we do is pretty much simple. We help leaders, we help coaches, we help mentors and trainers pretty much to create that impact, to help them grow their business so they can help their clients go from this to that, from the problem to the promise, from the reality to the result. So we help you, if you're watching this, if you're a coach or a mentor or a consultant or a trainer or just a visionary that you like to help people. We help um, you create your own signature program, pretty much to unpack your wisdom, to unpack your insights, to to be able to grab your thoughts, your insight, your experience, and your expertise and your talent and the gift that God gave you, and put it up in a sequence and put it up on paper, put it up in a program, put it up in a way that people can see it, can feel it, and can bring results to other people, and in a way that it can help transform people's lives. That's what we do. Make sure you can actually define it, design it, and deliver that value to your clients. Because I remember when I was starting out, it's hard to put it all of this together. So the reason I want to show you is because this is what we do. Okay, and this is what we do. When you can actually articulate and share your wisdom, you actually living and creating your legacy at the same time. Yes, you're growing your business, you're going to make the money, but also you're going to make the impact. And we help you make that impact. When our focus is in make sure you create a world-class program, a world-class significant impact, a mark on other people's lives. So I just want to make sure I show you a little bit more of what we do. Okay, so pretty much um, let me just, so you're probably helping your clients go from a specific problem to a specific promise. Okay. So there's a process, you know, there's a process that you're going through, and each process have a few steps, let's say it's 4 steps. Okay. So let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we do is all of this we help you create. Okay, and that means going from here to here, left to right, and also on each step there's some mini steps that you have to make. Okay, in order make sure you um, unpack your wisdom, create intellectual property. It's a value, and that's going to grow your business, and you can actually articulate exactly what you do and make sure your clients get the results. And so we help you create this, and then we bring more depth into this. Okay, so that's pretty much what we do. We if I have to summarize it, there's many ways that I can put it up for you, because I want to make sure you really understand it. um, uh, is going to give you a lot of clarity, if you really pay attention a little bit of what I'm going to share with you in a moment. Um, I will help you live your legacy, love your legacy, light it up, pretty much put more light into your wisdom, because you do have experience, but sometimes it's just information that how do you retrieve it, you know, and then leave that legacy behind. Make sure it's in a package that you can pass out to your children, pass out to the next generation. Um, uh, I get emotional sometimes because of this. I work with a lot of brilliant people have all these PhDs, degrees, celebrities, and all that, but they have this desire to transfer their wisdom to the next generation. You know, we went through a lot in 2020 with this COVID-19, and it's this. You know, they went through a lot. They learned a lot. They have a lot of skills or talent, of experience or of expertise, and they want to figure out a form that they can put it up. Like in a box. How do you put it up? That's exactly what we help you on. Okay, so this little box is going to have this. It's going to have horizontal, vertical, and it's going to have depth. Okay, pretty much. Okay, and this is pretty much what we help you on. That was going to help you grow your business, impact your clients. Because they will be impacted. Not only you will deliver results, but you will deliver a wonderful experience and a transformation for them. And then, like I told you before, you'll be making the contribution to the world. You'll be making the same thing um, that I all my clients. I like to help them live it and live the legacy at the same time. And it is possible when you can actually put it up together really clearly, not just to make the money, because that's not what I do. Yes, you will make the money, but my focus is in helping you make a world-class program that is going to create the impact. And yes, it will bring you the money, but more than anything else, it's going to change people's lives. It's going to make the world a better place. And that's the focus. I want to make sure that you um, put all of this wisdom really, really clearly there for them to see. So there's a process and there's a lot of things that we do, but I just want to make sure I give you this intro, and I'll be sharing a lot more videos for you to see, but at least this is going to give you a little bit of perspective once we you know um this actually is progress, you know okay, and that's a process. So we will help you pretty much define it. It's hard to be able to define this: the problem, the promise, the process, and the progress. And before we do this, we need to define the person. Okay, who is this person that you're helping right now? So once we define it, then we can design the box. Let's call it the box, the impact, the program, the community. You can have clients who I help them create a mastermind, who can create a legacy. So that's what I do. Okay, that's what I can help you with. If that's you, you can just comment below and contact us, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thank you.